Oh, hello there.
Hello there.
Today I'm going to show you what I have been working on for the last few weeks. It's a website coded from scratch using Next.js. And I gotta tell you, it's pretty epic. So here is how it works. You go to the website, you then log into Spotify, and then the website gives you recommendations based on your top artist, top song, and 3 random categories. It is almost like having your own DJ. And you wanna know something? The whole idea was actually inspired by none other than ChatGPT. That's right, this AI knows everything. So I was talking to ChatGPT the other day and said, hey, do you know any ideas for a cool website? And ChatGPT was like, have you ever thought about a website which recommends music for you? And I was like, that's it. That's the idea I have been waiting for. And so it began. I mean, check these recommendations. Actually, this website gives so good recommendations that everyone wants to dance. Just look at this compilation of me dancing. And when you see that, everyone wants to dance. Trust me. To go into more detail about how this website is structured, here is some of my code. So here we have the project folder with the Next.js project. Inside the project folder we have the Next.js config. And here we see that this default endpoint redirects to this home endpoint, and the home endpoint redirects to the songs endpoint, and the songs endpoint redirects to the API auth endpoint. And this endpoint right here looks like this. It's possible to make a GET request to this API endpoint. Then we redirect to the Spotify login endpoint right here, where we send along some different variables. This redirects us to the endpoint called access. This API endpoint, here we do some magic with the access token we just got from the login, and we send along this access token redirected to the songs endpoint with the access token as a parameter right here. So if we look at the songs endpoint, it looks like this. We make a fetch request to another API endpoint with the access token as a parameter, and if we look at this endpoint, it's a GET request, and here we get different genres and the top artist and the top song, and then we generate recommendations from these 3 parameters. All these recommendations is then sent back to the songs page right here, and the response is passed to JSON. Then the data is set to the songs variable right here, and all the different recommendations is then rendered down here as a Spotify link, as you can see on the website. So all in all, I really liked creating this project. I think it's a fun project and a fun idea. Working with Next.js is very easy and very helpful. It has a lot of built-in features, which is very nice to have, and my overall experience was very nice. 10 out of 10, I would use it again. And with that said, peace.